and welcome back to Intro to Web Design with Bootstrap, Part 5D. Let's talk about helper classes. A helper class in Bootstrap is a class name that we can utilize for its styling abilities. There are text options where we could choose something like text-success and get text styled with this green color. Or we could use it as a background color. If we do BG/warning, we'll get a background color that's the same as that warning button we saw in the earlier lesson. Other useful classes are close, which you can use to close a modal or close a pop-up. Invisible, which forces an element to be invisible. You could do pull-left or pull-right, and that'll float an element to their respective side. And that's it for helper classes. Come back in the next lesson where we'll talk about the newest features in Bootstrap 4.